You have to listen English movie, English cartoon, you have to read English book. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. All the praises due to Allah. A very good morning to all of you. I hope all are fit and fine. This is Farat in front of you. I'm 27. Honorable dreamer come from Romari Kurigram. So I'd like to talk about the importance of English. Actually, I am a student of English fantasy. I'm learning English, so I can speak English little bit. So I wanna give some advice to our beginner students. Actually, if you wanna really learn English, you have to be motivated. You have to be hard worker. You have to be active. Unless you practice, you can't learn English. It's the reality. You have to focus your practice, and first of all, you have to listen English movie, English cartoon. You have to read English book, and you have to try to listening. That's the systems. If you follow these systems, you will be able to speak English fluently. So if you don't follow the system, you can't be able to speak English. This is the reality, brothers. I can see there are a lot of students, those who want to learn English, but they don't speak English because they don't practice properly. Sometimes they give up, they feel exhausted, they feel nervous. So I have actually suggestion for beginner. If you want to learn English, you have to hard work, you have to practice properly. Okay, you have to give time properly, you have to be motivated, energetic. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for giving me, thank you for watching me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.